guys, I'm back here with the Skywind, and when I received this thing it wouldn't even turn on. So what I did is I went ahead and bought a 3.7 volt LiPo battery, and we'll see if with this setup it'll run. Of course we have the remote. Let's switch it on first to make sure, and this could be dangerous, so be a little bit further out. And we just need to connect these together over here. And that was a bad idea. Not sure why it's running like that. It shouldn't be. So it's not pairing up, they're just receiving power for some reason. You press the button in the middle, doesn't do anything. I'm gonna disconnect the power. Thing got pretty hot. So what else can we try? We can try switching these over. See what that does. This one, and this one, and this one, and this one. Alright, in this case, it's not just starting off. Let's see if that makes a difference. Aha! Okay. Something happened there. I'm not sure how this is supposed to run, but it's doing something, but yet it's not moving. So you put the battery in one direction and it goes around uncontrollably, and then you do the other one. It does this, but it doesn't pair to the device. So there must be something else going on with this drone, which is still beyond my understanding. So we've made progress, because in the beginning it would just turn on and you'd just see the red light and that's it with the old battery, but now we get this. So I'm not sure what I'm supposed to do with it, but it's better than before, but still no actual function. So that's where we are with this, and I'll see you in the next video.